Most people don't go broke because they don't earn enough. They go broke because they make bad money moves. The tricky part is that many of these mistakes feel normal because everyone around us is doing them. In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 dumbest things people do with money, why they're so damaging, and what you can do instead. If you've ever wondered why your bank account never seems to grow, one of these might be the reason. Mistake number 1. Buying to impress. One of the biggest traps is buying things just to impress people who don't actually care. Whether it's the latest phone, a flashy car, or designer clothes, the truth is, most people are too busy worrying about themselves to notice what you own. The problem is that you're trading long-term financial security for a short burst of attention. Instead, focus on spending money on things that genuinely improve your life, not your image. If you want luxury, save for it and pay in cash. No debt, no stress. Mistake number 2. Carrying credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful tools, but carrying a balance is like setting your money on fire. With interest rates often over 20%, you end up paying far more for things than they're worth. This debt compounds against you, making it harder to get ahead. The smarter move is to pay off your balance in full every month, and if you already have debt, tackle the highest interest card first. Use credit cards for convenience and rewards, not as a way to borrow. Mistake number 3. Ignoring retirement. A lot of people think they'll start saving for retirement later, when they make more money. But life has a way of finding new expenses for every raise you get. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest, meaning your money earns money, and that money earns money too. Even $50 a month can grow into a huge sum over decades. Waiting just 10 years to start can cost you hundreds of thousands by the time you retire. Mistake number 4. Treating found money like free money. Tax refunds, bonuses, or unexpected cash often disappear as quickly as they arrive. People splurge because it feels like extra money, but that's a missed opportunity. The easiest money to save is the money you weren't counting on. A good rule is to split it. Put half into savings or investments, use some to pay down debt, and enjoy the rest guilt-free. That way, you still get the fun without throwing away your future gains. Mistake number 5. Not tracking spending. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. Small daily expenses, coffee runs, takeout, unused subscriptions, can quietly drain thousands each year. Tracking your spending for even 1 month can be eye-opening. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet to spot patterns and cut waste. Even trimming $10 a day in unnecessary spending adds up to over $3,600 a year, enough for a vacation, debt payoff, or a solid investment boost. Money mistakes aren't about being stupid, they're about being unaware. The good news is that once you see the traps, you can avoid them. Start with one small change this week, whether it's paying off a little extra debt, setting up an automatic retirement contribution, or tracking your spending. Over time, these small moves can completely change your financial future. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more money tips, and share this with someone who needs a financial wake-up call.